Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install TaskbarX in your computer in a very simple way. TaskbarX centers taskbar icons to make Windows look like Mac OS. So how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for TaskbarX. Download. Click on that, and then you're going to click on the first website. You can simply click on download now. Also, you can simply go for the TaskbarX org and simply click on download TaskbarX, and there will be a captcha. You have to come over into SourceForge. If you click on that, then simply click on sometimes, and then if you click on the download option, click on the folder icon, and now if you click on that and simply extract all, extract. And now here is a translucent X is rightly downloaded. So if you click on it 2 times to install, it will be activated. So if you want to know how you can simply make your icons look like Mac, then you can simply comment below. I'm going to create another video about it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then.